So everyone, I don't know if you can see me really here because I can't see the screen. Here are some views from my hot rod video. It's already painted the car, and here we are. Oh yeah, first of all, I wanted to show you the wheels, the front wheels. I'm thinking of changing from those motorcycle or Mofa wheels to such a 13-inch wheels. But for those who knows the old videos on my channel, the wheels that I built myself for the rear in the beginning and was too small for me, so I changed them with those Mercedes wheels that I'm gonna change again, maybe with other tires, or I don't know what I'm gonna do on that. But the wheels here, they stayed better, I think, on the front than those pretty thin wheels. I know. I think it's cooler and better. So I'm really interested to hear your opinions about that. Should I keep those? Of course, when I put the rear on it and the doors, it will give another. Let me do that. Wait a minute. So, now you can see that better without door, because I don't want to scratch the paint. That's why. And what do you think about this shitty color of paint? I really love it. And I made such a black touches everywhere here to show you that it is old, built in the 30s and modified over the years. You know. Yeah. Here the dashboard, the pinstriping will fix all those curves, you know. Here it's black, and yeah. So the firewall, this is how it looks like. Here from the front view. No, I know, believe me, I love it this way. I think I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna also use other ones, not those, because I don't want it to look like this from the front. The rear, I will get those 13-inch, the same steel rims like the rear ones, the same design. But I love it. I love it. I think that most of you will agree with me. But yeah. So here again, here we are right now. This is how it looks like. I'm working right now on the interior, and yeah, the wheels are not my priority now. Maybe later I will work on them, but now I'm working on the interior, finishing the interior. I hope I have holiday 1 week. I hope this week I will finish that. I like it really how it looks like on the front this way. Maybe I will keep that. I think I will keep that. But I would love to hear from you your opinions. This video is going straight from the smartphone I'm using now to YouTube, so I'm not gonna show work on that video or edit it and put a picture of the hot rod with the old wheels on it. But you can check other videos if you're new to the channel and give me your opinion. I'd love to read from you to change my decision or keep the old ones. But I think I'm going for those. I love them because they are smaller, you know, than the rear ones. I don't know. Let me hold the phone here. This side here. Yeah, I like that better, much better. Yeah. I had the idea this week while I was driving my truck here at work, and I said, why not I don't try to put them out there. So I drilled here a 12mm hole in the center to fit that bolt here inside, and just put them inside. Yeah. So thanks for watching again. Here's the color as I told you. And I hope you like it as I do. I'll see you next video. Have a nice day.